Hey, this is just a quick video. If anybody has the Four Moms Rockaroo, not the Momaroo, like the cheaper model, and you're getting that same clicking noise, but you're looking for a video because all the videos only show you how to fix the Momaroo, but not the Rockaroo, I think I figured it out. So you still have to take it apart. You can't use an Allen key because there's these little metal caps on top of the where the hex key would go, so you can't use that. I basically had to turn the whole thing upside down, disassemble it. There's just a whole bunch of these screws on the very bottom. So make sure you look on the back side, take out all the screws, keep them separate. There's a couple long ones, the rest are all the same size. So after that, roll the thing back and forth. It works like a train track. There's a little track and then there's four wheels, all situated around each corner of the swing. I noticed that one wheel had a bit of extra plastic and it was actually shaving off all the plastic. You can see it there. And that was causing a click every time. So I just kind of removed all that plastic, shaved a little more off the wheel. Now, beautiful. Nice smooth, no click. I'm going to put it back together. Hopefully I don't hear a click, but hopefully that helps you if your Rockaroo is clicking. And there you go. It actually worked. So I guess the constant use was shaving off some plastic from one of the wheels on the track, and that was making it click every time it hit like the far end. But now it's quiet as a mouse. It's awesome. Hey, Peach. See you guys later. I hope you found this video helpful.